How to make money by using your phone. With nothing but your phone, you will make profits. By having the right apps, you can set up an entire investment program to take care of your future. Check this out. Acorns offers cash rewards when you purchase through their online marketplace. The funds would be transferred straight to your savings account. Robinhood helps you to exchange stocks, bonds, and other financial goods on your phone. This easy-to-use tool helps you to invest as little as $1 in more than 5,000 stocks. If you want to trade from your phone for free, download this app. Betterment. It's a combination of spending and savings. Is a perfect option if you want a savings account. Decides to set up an automatic monthly deposit. We'll develop your goals, and Betterment can help you establish a tailored investment plan that suits your lifestyle. Work for delivery service. When you have any free time on your hands, a cell phone, and a reliable car, consider working with a distribution company. Instacart is the most popular grocery distributor. If you're not comfortable distributing to people's houses, you should only sign up to do the shopping. The other business that will work in your area is Shift. The typical shopper makes $15.20 an hour. Work for a driving service. If you have a mobile and you don't mind driving across the city, try using your cell phone to pick up a sideways hustle as a driver for Uber or Lyft. The typical driver earns between $8.50 and $11.70 an hour. If you're confident driving in poor weather or a rush hour, you might do even more. Uber and Lyft apps will notify you when a rider is nearby, and you can accept or deny a fare at any time. You're liable for your vehicle and should have a proper insurance policy. Use an app to sell stuff. There's a lot of apps that let you sell everything from appliances to clothes, books, and even unused gift cards. Here's the most famous one, Poshmark. It allows you to display items free of charge, but charges a $2.95 fee for products under $15 and a 20% fee for things above $15. Decluttr. It lets you market media items such as DVDs, CDs, magazines, appliances, and gaming products. Decluttr also accepts phones. The Decluttr app is incredibly useful, so you can use it to scan the barcode of products you wish to market, and it will give you an immediate valuation. Sell your photos on Foap. Foap helps artists to offer their pictures from their phones. The app is free, and you can upload your images right from your camera. You can offer and resell the same picture as many times as you want. Images are offered for $10 and keep 50% of each sale. Work as a customer service agent. You can be able to make money by working as a customer support agent on your computer. Big businesses including U-Haul, Upwork, Getty Images, Dollar Flight Club, Delta Airlines, and JetBlue recruit staff to respond to customer support requests from their own home. Working as a customer service agent on your computer would offer a more secure means of income, although it could be a little more difficult to do so. You would also require any on-site training until you can work from home. If you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button. It supports the channel a lot. Also subscribe and click the notification bell button to get more content like this.